There are a lot of providers out there, but most people just take them for granted. Not only can Gap Auto Insurance help you out on trade-ins, but can help out on a few different scenarios, as well. You'll be surprised at how much help this kind of policy is. First of all, let's find out how Gap Auto Insurance works. Basically, it covers the depreciating value of your vehicle. We all know that as time passes, a vehicle's value depreciates. In case you have an accident, it can help you out, too. This will come in handy when insurance policies will only pay you your car's value and it won't be enough to even pay for the wreck. What about if your car gets stolen? You'll be pleased to know that the policy will cover this, as well. I am sure you're starting to see how wonderful Gap Auto Insurance is. It's something that should be really considered when you have a car. So how do you apply for it? Do you have to look for providers? Well, you can start off by asking your very own insurance provider. Most providers offer Gap Auto Insurance. Of course, policies and costs will vary between providers. There might even be a chance that your current insurance already includes Gap Auto Insurance policies. Of course, it's perfectly logical that you ask your insurance provider first and not to assume anything. Always take time to read the policy so that you won't be fooled into anything. It's very important that you understand your own insurance policy. You can also ask for quotations from different providers. This is a perfectly logical move so that you can compare what each provider has to offer. There might even be providers that give online quotations. You see, asking for a quotation today is very easy and can be done online. Of course, not all providers allow online quotations, but the internet is a good place to start. In fact, there's a significant advantage in applying for Gap Auto Insurance online. When you apply online, you will have a lot of time to research and read about the different things each online Gap insurance provider can offer. There's no pressure and you can take as much time as you like, which is different when you are dealing with some providers in real life. Just make sure that the provider you are dealing with online is legitimate. Yes, this policy is another cost that will be added to your monthly payments. However, it's very helpful. You never know when you meet an accident or have your car stolen. You should also bear in mind that the very moment you take your car out from the showroom, your car's value begins to depreciate. The depreciating value of your car will soon become a burden if you don't do anything about it, and that is why the most logical step is to apply for Gap Auto Insurance. Read more on Gap Auto Insurance, its pros and cons on Gap insurance providers, so that you'll have a deeper understanding of what Gap Auto Insurance really is. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.